An ecosystem is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. These include forests, deserts, and aquatic environments. However, the increasing human population is using the resources from these environments and disposing of the materials in unsustainable ways. Over the years, this has taken a great toll on Earth's ecosystems. For example, humans rely heavily on wood and its byproducts for construction, the production of paper, and energy. This being said, the animals who have ecosystems in forests suffer due to deforestation. A specific example of this was seen in the Brazilian Amazon. 20% of the Amazon biome has already been lost, and the WWF estimates that 27% of this biome will be without trees by 2030 if the trend continues. It is estimated that 10 million species live in the Amazon and rely on its resources. Not only is the Amazon being cut down for its wood, the land area is of value too. As the human population increases, the demand for homes, schools, and businesses increase as well. This demand causes mass areas of trees to be cut down to make room for these buildings and roads needed for the humans inhabiting the area. Unfortunately, deforestation is required in order for cities and towns to develop, but if more apartment buildings were made than individual homes, less of the forest would need to be cut down. Another example of an ecosystem being disrupted by humans is the ocean. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth, is our most valuable resource, and is home to around 1 million known species. Humans produce around 300 million tons of plastic each year, which include disposable beverage bottles, straws, plastic bags, and other plastic items. Of this 300 million tons, 8 million is dumped into the ocean yearly. It is estimated that in 2017, 5 trillion pieces of plastic littered the ocean. The plastic is dangerous to many aquatic animals as it does not decompose easily due to its chemical makeup and can also be mistaken for food. In Scotland during 2017, a beached whale was discovered with 9 pounds of plastic in its digestive tract. This is just one of the many instances of plastic killing aquatic wildlife. Oftentimes, plastic floating at the surface of the ocean are mistaken for food and are ingested. If the animal does not choke on the plastic, then it will be poisoned from the toxins before it is digested. Humans have now started to realize our negative impact on the amount of pollution we produce. As the human population increases, so does the amount of pollution and waste produced. The push to use reusable plastic items instead of disposable ones is at an all-time high. If one person used a reusable bag over their lifetime, they would remove over 22,000 plastic bags from the environment. Now imagine if 7.4 billion people did the same. In conclusion, it is believed that the increase in the human population does not negatively impact ecosystems. However, the actions that we take do. If humans were able to realize that we rely on animals and plants just as much as they rely on us, then the ecosystem and animals in them would not be as harmed. If one person decides to make the effort to change their habits, it will not go unnoticed in the environment.